G'day everyone, welcome along to another video. Today we've made the short drive across to Speewa to the annual vintage engine and machinery rally. I've dragged a trailer load of engines with me and already gone and set them up in the compound there. I thought I'd take you for a look around and show you what's on display here, and it's quite a good collection of stuff here. So we'll go into the compound now and have a look around and see what's there. This is a nice little Waterloo Type K 2 horsepower engine. Nice little monitor engine. One and a half horsepower. Got the big brother next door here, the big 4 horsepower one. Running pretty nice. I'm driving a little Maxim pump. This is all part of my display. I've brought along 3 different engines here. Some of you have been watching my channel for a while and recognise this engine. It's one I recently got going in one of my other videos. It's a 5 horsepower buzzer cot engine, petrol throttle governed. Well, they're actually petrol kerosene, but I don't run it on kerosene. It's the first rally for this engine. It's running really well. Another one of my engines, a 7 horsepower Tangy oil engine. Running on kerosene at the moment, with the hot tube up under there running. Had this engine for quite a few years now. It was a complete wreck when I got this off a local farm. Put a lot of time and effort into it to get it up and running the way it is. And the other engine I brought along, it's a little Ronaldson Tippett Type D petrol engine. This is a 6 horsepower Galloway Masterpiece engine. It's a little Stover engine. They're actually a Stover, they've badged them as a Cooper engine here in Australia. Quite often used on shearing plants here. Another very interesting engine. It's a 6 horsepower twin cylinder Fastener engine. Running quite nice. Another nice Tangy engine on display here. This one I think is a 5 horsepower. Would have been a stationary engine originally by the look of that. Running quite nicely. I think this is the first time Noel's had this one out on the rally before. Got it coupled up to a little centrifugal water pump. It's handling that quite nicely by the look of it. Nice little international famous. It's a 4 horsepower grey hit and miss engine made in Detroit in America. Very well restored engine, running quite nicely. Looks as though it would have been originally fitted with the magneto by the look at that magneto mount, but it's now running on the buzz coil. This is a nice little 2 horsepower Hornsby petrol engine. It's another Australian made engine. It's a BW Bartram engine. It's made by Callan Lewis. I think they're only like a 2 horsepower or something like that. I'm not exactly sure on that. Running quite nicely. This is a nice little vertical Callan Lewis engine. 2.5 horsepower, made in Melbourne. And we've got a nice little Fuller and Johnson farm pumper engine. Another Australian engine. It's a Ronalds and Tippett Type G. It's an oil-cooled Ronalds and Tippett N-type or NOC, oil-cooled one. Pretty unusual. Nice Vista H here, driving a little piston pump. Ticking away nicely. Fair lineup of engines here that aren't going. A few people are having trouble with their engines today. Anyway. Here's a nice little water-cooled 2-stroke Villiers engine. Running very nice. Alright, well that's about all we got for you for today's video. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel, and yeah, we'll keep the videos coming for you. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.